Let's bleed the brakes in 3 easy steps. Step numero 1. Drain all the old fluid from the reservoir.
One eternity later.
Now fill the reservoir with new fluid. And the final step, begin with the furthest brake from the master cylinder. Ask someone to pump the brake pedal 3-4 times, then open the bleeder valve. Keep an eye on the level of the brake fluid. Repeat steps number 2 and 3 till the fluid coming out from the bleeder valve is clean and air-free. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Bye.